Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram iPhone. And here's how it's done. First, check your internet connection. Open your browser and load a website to confirm it is working. If not, let us troubleshoot. Go to settings and check your connection type. For cellular, ensure network selection is automatic. For Wi-Fi, turn off low data mode. If issues persist, toggle airplane mode on and off. Next, open settings, go to screen time, then content and privacy restrictions. Turn this off to potentially fix the problem. If you're still having trouble, try resetting network settings. In settings, go to general, then reset, and choose reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. Your iPhone will restart. After resetting, reconnect to the internet and open Instagram. You should now see your news feed refreshing without errors, displaying new pictures and videos. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix couldn't refresh feed on Instagram iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.